Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to upload documents to Google Classroom. So as you can see right now on our screen, we're currently in our Google Classroom and I have created a sample class over here. So to be able to upload the document, you're going to have to own the classroom that you're going to upload it into. And over here, as you can see, below this title section over here in the top, you will be able to see here the announcement section where you could announce or upload different documents. As you can notice here, there are these icons over here. You could upload a file from Google Drive, you could upload a video, you could add a YouTube video, and you could upload a file from your computer. There's also add link over here. And if you want to upload a document, whether it's on Google Drive or your computer, you can just simply click that and you can simply click on browse over here, or you could drag and drop the files that you want to upload in this section. It's that simple. And after that, you can simply add whatever announcement that you want and click on post over here, which would allow you to post that specific document that you have just uploaded. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.